Hey, you guys! It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm gonna be honest. This is not gonna be too exciting. This is literally just me getting some content out of the way. We are going to be unbagging a big Shein kind of haul. It's disappointing because it's like almost all clothes and there's not gonna be any try-on. And I apologize, but this is like preempting for another video that I have coming up where I'm going to do a festival lookbook because I'm going to the Imagine Music Festival this month. And so I just ordered a bunch of things with this Shein haul and then I think another Shein video that I did if you saw it. And I'll be combining those together and then that's where you're gonna get to see the things being tried on. I'm also gonna do the best I can with that because it's like so weird. Ever since I got these girls, I have not been able to shed any weight and I don't understand what's going on with my body, but it's like I'm just like a little plump sausage right now. But the nice thing about the festival community is no one gives a shit, so it's kind of nice because you can just dress however you want and like no judgy zone whatsoever. But anyway, with all of that out of the way, we are going to unbag this bag. There are mostly clothes and like some accessories, and I'll try and talk about like the outfits that I'm thinking about and while I'm showing it to you. And I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't have any prices on this shit. I don't have a list of what I bought. Like we're literally just like opening it up and looking at the stuff. So yay, let's have some fun. If you don't know, Imagine Music Festival is an EDM music festival. We like to go to Lost Lands, but we decided to go to this one this year. We like the heavier, metalier dubstep stuff. This festival is kind of catered more towards house music, which is fine with me because I love me some house. But there are some dubstep acts there, so it's gonna be fine. There's like a myriad of different types of music there, but it is kind of like a fun, vibrant festival. So I just tried to get some outfits and pieces that kind of go with that vibe. I'm just gonna like dump this whole, oh geez, that I did get some non-festival things here, so let's just, okay, this is the first one. I'm really excited about these ones. Should I move over here so I can pop like a screenshot of, doesn't matter, I don't know. Anyway, these are kind of like a pair of very bell-bottomy pants that are like tie-dyed, and they actually feel pretty nice. These are very soft. Looks like there's a little bit of purple in there that I didn't notice online. These are kind of like orange and brown. They're very kind of soft and stretchy. I believe I got these in a size medium because I was reading the reviews and people were like, yeah, medium. People were saying size down because of the fit. So again, this is gonna be one that we're gonna see in the try on video for the festival lookbook. So I can't wait to try these on. They feel so nice. This is not that like swimsuity polyester-y material that I thought it was going to be like. These are much more softer, like cottony. So yeah, super excited to try that out. Love the super wide bell bottom. Very excited to see these. Let me just go through these and see if I can find the pieces that I like. Let me try and match them, you know. This one, yeah, this one I got to go with these pants. This is just a, I think Shein Basics bodysuit in the color brown or coffee or whatever. But this is just a typical bodysuit. The thing I liked about it is it does have the crotch snap, which again, when you are choosing festival wear, they're like, I love that all these teeny cute little girls can wear these amazing outfits that are curated for the events. Like it's an amazing thing. It's like an art form to walk around. It's so cool. But like I'm 43 years old and I need to dress for comfort and also functionability. Because you have to think like you're gonna need to use the restroom and stuff. Like I had all these ideas, but then I'm like, how many layers am I gonna want to take off before I have to pee and then put it all back on in a tiny little VIP porta potty? So like, what are you supposed to do? Anyway, this was a snap crotch, so super good to wear. And so I'm gonna try and pair these two together. And I think I have one more piece here. Yeah, this one I got to go with these two items too. This is a fishnet kind of just arm shrug. So yeah, this is just, it's like a, goes like this and you put your arms through it, so it's just the top, but there's no back or anything. So I got this to go with these two things, and I thought that when I put all of that together from the last video of my Shein things, and I got this little headband thing, I thought that like all of these three together would be cute. So we're gonna give it a shot. So yeah, if you're interested, you can see that video coming up soon sometime. This next thing, I didn't specifically buy this for the festival, but it's the Romley. I saw it and I thought it was super cute, and I thought it would be an option if something didn't work out because of it being so simple. But this is kind of a tie front bell sleeve moon shirt. Should I just put it on since I don't know if it's gonna make the next video or not? Okay, let's try this out here. So yeah, it's like a kind of tie front. Let the light adjust there. Okay, and you would tie it in a knot, obviously, but yeah, it's just like a really cute little moon bell sleeve top. I mean, it definitely could work for the festival. I'm not saying it can't, but I didn't exactly buy it for it. But I mean, it's super cute. I like it. I don't know what size I bought this in. I bought this in a large. So yeah, I don't know if this is going to be in the next video or not, but it is really cute. I'm kind of happy with it. Super comfortable. Yeah, this is cute. Let's go through some, like, I don't know. I'm freeballing this, guys. Some accessories that I got. I actually got these for the spooky season giveaway box. I got one for myself and I got one for you guys because I thought that they were super cute. These are, ooh, they're like metal. This is a metal snake hair clip. So like when you put your hair up and then you clip it in the back, it looks like a snake, like from the side. How cute is that? The size and weight of this, I don't know if this is gonna work for my hair because it's like I have no hair, but super cute, like very nicely detailed metal snake hair clip. Yeah, so I got one of those for me and one of them for you for the spooky season giveaway box. So that's kind of exciting. Not festival related at all, but like I had to buy this because this is like me at work all the time, and I always tell my coworker like, hey, do you know that little meme of the dog? Like, this is me all the time. This is an enamel pin that I got for my jean jacket. It's that little meme of the dog sipping coffee while everything's on fire and he says, "This is fine." This is so me. Like everything, you know, when you're like one of those people that everyone depends on you to do everything because you're just pretty much good at everything. And it's like people are just throwing stuff at you because they know you'll get it done, and like you're sitting there and you're like, this is fine. This is fine. It's totally me. It's totally me. All right, let's go into another piece of clothing. I think I know. Okay, yeah. Ooh, this is, okay. This is another bodysuit. I thought that I got the same bodysuit. So this is a black one. This is a black bodysuit. It's got the snap crotch on it. I thought that it was the same. Like, I thought I just got a black and a brown, but this is very different material. This brown one is like kind of satiny and thin, and this black one is kind of thick. Kind of thick. That's fine. I'm sure it'll be... It seems comfortable. It's not like the material's off-putting. It's just like a little bit thicker. It's like another thing you have to think about when you're doing festival shopping is like, I don't know how hot it's going to be in Georgia in like mid-September. it's going to be from day to night, and it's just a lot of things. But anyway, this is a black bodysuit that I got, and then I have another piece that I bought to go with it. I don't know if this one is going to work. This one I actually saw on Amazon for $20, and then I was like, you know what, let me check Shein, and then here it is, $4 or whatever it was. This is a asymmetrical mesh shirt in gray. So it is ruched on the sides and it's really stretchy, but it's like a mesh material, and it has one shoulder here and then you feed your arm through the other one, so it's kind of like off the shoulder. So I initially bought the bodysuit to wear underneath this. I don't know how any of that's going to work out. Again, we're going to see in the upcoming video how this stuff works out, but I'm not really sure. Another accessory. So back in the late 90s, I was kind of like a bucket hat girl when I was going to raves and stuff like that, but I've kind of grown out of that. But the bucket hat has made a very big comeback into the house and mid-tempo bass scene. And so I was like, you know what, maybe I'll buy a bucket hat on Shein because they're like super cheap and like it just could be like a really cute accessory for one of these outfits. So I did get a bucket hat. Let me tell you a little story about this one. Originally, Cool Customer released a merch line of bucket hats that had his logo, which is a smiley face with 2 C's for the eyes. And so I was like, oh, I just want to get a bucket hat with the smiley face on it. So I was scrolling through Shein and I saw this one and I was like, ooh, it's black. It's got a tiny little smiley face on it. So like subtle, like, and I kind of like that. Then I was just like flipping through the images of it on the website, and so funny because the other side, not that this has anything to do with anything, but it says Night Call on it. And Night Call is one of my favorite, like, it's like an 80s synth tracks. Like, I'll post a little thing of it right here if you guys want to check it out, but it is such a cool song. Like, it's dark and like I love it so much. And so I thought, hey, this is calling my name. Like, I have to buy it. So yeah, I might be one of those girls like on the festival grounds, like dancing with her bucket hat on. I don't know, but yeah, like this was like $4. So I guess before I put that bucket hat away, I did also, this is another little thing that like I noticed that's like really cool with the young kids on the scene right now. These are Sprouts hat clips. This was like a pack of 6 of them and it was like $1. And I saw these in like some Instagram posts of some DJs and I thought they were really cute. These are just little alligator clips that have Sprouts like off of them. And so like what you're supposed to do is clip them onto, look how cute that is. I know all of this seems ridiculous, but like back in my day when you wore a bucket hat or a baseball hat or anything like that, we had little star clips that they were like these stars that like just went on the brim of your hat. So it looked like you had like a star. So like, I guess this is the next iteration of that. I wasn't familiar until I asked my coworker and he's like, oh yeah, the Sprout clips. And I'm like, okay. So like super cute. You know, again, I'm 43, trying to be 23, but you know, just having a good time with it. Okay, one more piece of jewelry I think here. I actually had this in my cart, again, not festival related. I had this in my cart like a long time ago, and just because I was placing an order, I decided to go ahead and throw it in there because it was like only $1. This is a goth necklace and I love it so much. This is a black enamel heart with a black rose. I guess I should have said red. But it's like a black with red enamel heart and it's got a black rose in the middle and it has kind of like a resin cover that makes it like bubbled and shiny. But like I just thought this was absolutely stunning for $1 and I was like, I have to have that, and look how pretty it is. But yeah, this is not festival related, totally goth, corporate goth related for me to wear to work, and I just love it. And the last item in this Shein, haul for the festival is I did get a pack of stickers. I know all of my small community YouTube people buy stickers of these things. I haven't yet, but if you know anything about the festival culture, it's really nice to have gifts to give out. A lot of people do the candy thing, and I did that back in the day. Now they have a system for trading candy, which are beaded bracelets that you hand make at home. And I used to do that all the time. I was that candy girl that had like rows of bracelets, you know. And now they have like a little peace, love, unity, respect handshake that you do while you transfer the bracelet over. I am not taking time to make bracelets right now, so I went ahead and I bought a pack of stickers, and these are just tokens that if you meet somebody at, you know, the festival and you have like a little convo, or somebody compliments your outfit or something like that, it's just a little token to give somebody. It's just spreading that peace, love, unity, respect type thing. Some festivals also have like gift walls or altars where people will just leave stuff out, and then you can come up and look at what's available. And if you take something, you leave something. I've had that happen before at a couple places. It's just good vibes, you know. It's just giving and all that kind of stuff. So I did get a pack of stickers that very easy matte stickers that will just be easy to like carry with me in my backpack. And if I do meet anybody, or, you know, there's like a vanity or something where I use like some deodorant or something and I just want to leave a gift behind, I thought these were really good. It's like a pack of 50 or something for like $1. So just really good to keep in your backpack if you meet anybody, or if you want to take something and you leave something behind. So I did get those. And that's all I got for you today, guys. So I got all this stuff for under 50 bucks, I think. I don't remember. Again, this is a mess, like totally unprepared for any of this. But I hope you enjoyed seeing the items. And if you are interested in seeing some of these things on me, on my little portly sausage pig body, did you read my info in my bio? Super self-deprecating. I really need to shut this camera off. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. I think I forgot to end that thought of before I started shitting on myself. If you want to see any of these things on me, please stay tuned for one of my lookbook videos for the Imagine Music Festival. Yeah, if you could comment down below if you're excited to see that, or if you liked any of these things, that would be awesome. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of these antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one.